How are you all? Hope you are all safe. It's me, Rupa, math teacher of grade 4. Today we are going to see chapter 1, place value. Can you read this number? How will you read this number? 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is a 6-digit number. This 6-digit number is the PIN code of Central Delhi. All PIN codes used in India are 6-digit numbers. Here are some numbers. Can you read this number? How will you read this number? 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 2, 5, 6, 3, 9, 6, 6, 4, 0, 5, 7, 6, 5, 7, 8, 2, 6, 3, 9, 8, 2, 9, 6, 3. This is how you will read this number, isn't it? By the end of this module, you will be able to read and write 5 and 6-digit numbers in the place value chart and understand how to group numbers according to period and how to place commas to separate them. Do you know what is the smallest 2-digit number? Yes, it is 10. You will read it as 10. Then what is the greatest 2-digit number? It is 99. If you add 1 to 99, what will you get? You will get 100. This is your smallest 3-digit number. You will read this number as 100. Then what is the greatest 3-digit number? It is 999. That you will read it as 999. If you add 1 to 999, what will you get? You will get 1000. That is 1000. This is your smallest 4-digit number. What is the greatest 4-digit number? It is 9999. You will read it as 9999. If you add 1 to 9999, your answer will be 10000. You will read it as 10,000 and this will be your smallest 5-digit number. Here we are going to see how to read the 5-digit number. Look at the first number 10472. How will you read this number? 10,472. Look at the next number 56894. This is a 5-digit number. And how will you read this number? 56,894. Look at this number 80031. How will you read this number? 80,031. Next we are going to see place value chart. Already you know how to write the place value till 1000. Here you are going to see how to write the place value for a 5-digit number. The first 3 numbers from the right, that is ones, tens and hundreds, that will be your ones period. And the next 2 digits, thousands and 10,000s, will be your thousands period. In the Indian system of numeration, always start grouping from the right. The first 3 digits from the right form the ones period. The 4th and 5th digits from the right form the thousands period. And also you have to insert comma between these periods, between the ones period and the thousands period. Let us consider an example. 49,871. Here, to write the place of the number, we used to denote it using a letter. For ones, we used to write it as O. So the place of 1 is ones. Always you have to start from the right. So you will denote ones as O. The place of 7 is tens. So you will denote it as T. The place of 8 is 100. You will denote it as H. The place of 9 is 1000. You will denote it as TH. The place of 4 is 10,000. You will denote it as TTH. Here we have two periods, that is ones period and the thousands period. You have to insert comma between these periods. So look at the number 49,871. We have a comma between these two periods. Here we are going to write the place value of for these numbers. To write the place value, what we have to do is we have to multiply the face value with their places. So the face value is nothing but writing the number as it is. Whatever the number is given, you have to write it as it is. So what will be the place of 1? 1. So what is the place of 1? It is ones. So you have to multiply 1 into 1. The place value will be 1. Next, to write the place value of 7, first write the face value. So the face value of 7 is 7. What is the place of 7? It is tens. So you have to multiply the 7 with 10. You will get 70. So the place value of 7 is 70. To write the place value of 8, first write the face value. The face value of 8 is 8 and the place of 8 is 100. So 8 into 100 is 800. So the place value of 8 is 800. Then to write the place value of 9, first write the face value. The face value is 9 and the place is thousands. So multiply 9 into 1000. You will get 9000. Then to write the place value of 4, write the face value. Face value of 4 is 4. Multiply with the place of the number, that is 10,000. 4 into 10,000, you will get 40,000. Next, to write the expanded form of the number, you have to add all the place values of the given number. So in the before video, we have written the place value of the number. You have to add all the place values of the number. So the place value of 4 is 40,000. Place value of 9 is 9,000. Place value of 8 is 800. Place value of 7 is 70 and the place value of 1 is 1. If you are adding all the place values, you can write the expanded form. Expanded form is nothing but sum of their place value. Next, we are going to see how to write it in words. So we have to use the periods to write the number in words. So 49,871. So this is in your word form. So already we have seen the greatest 5-digit number. The greatest 5-digit number is 99999. We will read it as 99,999. If you add 1 to the greatest 5-digit number, you will get the answer as 100,000. So you will read this number as 1 lakh and this will be your smallest 6-digit number. Next, we are going to see the place value chart for a 6-digit number. Therefore, for a 5-digit number, there is only 2 periods. For a 6-digit number, we have 3 periods. We have to include lakhs period also along with that. First, you have to start from the right. First, you have ones period, thousands period, and then lakhs period. In ones period, we have 3 digits, that is ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period, we have 2 digits, that is thousands, 10,000s. In lakhs period, we have 1 digit, that is lakhs. In the Indian system of numeration, always start grouping from the right. The first 3 digits from the right form the ones period. The fourth and fifth digits from the right form the thousands period. The sixth digit belongs to the lakhs period. Here is a number. So how to read this number? 7,54,092. You have to insert comma between each and every periods. So here you have a number 7,54,092. Here we are going to write the place value of the number. The same thing what we have done for 5 digit, the same thing we are going to do it here. First write the place of the number and then multiply with the face value. Here the face value of 2 is 2, multiply with the place, that is ones. So 2 into 1 is 2. 9 for 9, 9 into 10 is 90. For 0, 0 into 100 is 0. For 4, 4 into 1000 is 4000. For 5, 5 into 10,000 is 50,000. For 7, 7 into 1 lakh is 7 lakh. So you already know that place value of 0 is always 0 wherever the digit is placed. Here is a number 1,54,882. To write the place value of a number, the place value of 2 is 2, place value of 8 is 80, place value of 8 is 800, place value of 4 is 4,000, 5 is 50,000 and the place value of 1 is 1 lakh. Here we will denote as L for lakh. So in words, how do we write 1,54,882?
Okay children, here are a few questions from the video. Question number 1, a 6-digit number moves into a new period called the dash. 2, what is the smallest 5-digit number? Question number 3, a digit moved to its left, its value dash by 10 times. Question number 4, we write dash for 10,000. Question number 5, complete question number 2 in exercise 1A in page number 11 in your content book.